All right, so here we are. We got that connected to the RapidSpar USB stabilizer, which works in conjunction to the RapidSpar. We have to connect it here to a 4 terabyte drive for recovery. Cranked it up. It was able to read serial numbers, all the details of it, so that was good. You can see there, pulled up all the correct info, which is important. If you can't read the size and all that, then you got issues. Right? So it gave us originally our 2 partitions. We're going to scan for partitions. It just finished. So it found that folder, and all the folders are there readable. So here what I do is I'm going to go on a list of priorities. Probably the drive is okay. Probably just, there's some corruption in the drive. When the initial scan ran, we did get red, meaning some corrupt files, and those were what was making it not readable on the Mac. On the PC, it's HFS. So that's not going to be readable over there on Windows unless you have special software, so we're not going to screw around with that. When you have a drive that's having problems, you don't want to screw around with it too much. You want to go right directly to basically what I have here, which is software data recovery, hardware and software, to prevent things from getting worse. So what I start here, since we don't know the condition, and this I don't know how much data is on there, but I can tell you how much data is on this drive now. Alright, so it's not that much. There's 500 gigs on the drive. So even though it's 4 terabytes, but 497 gigs on there. So it's not empty, but it's not full. So generally what I do there is I request like some priority. So I'm going to hit those priority folders and get them off first. It's kind of a precaution. If you have a drive and it mounts, you want to start off with the most important things first. You don't want to just start grabbing everything. In this case, it's 500 gigs. But let's say it's 500 gigs and halfway through the hard drive dies or something happens and we can't access the drive anymore. We got 200 gigs worth of what? Maybe we got 200 gigs worth of that stuff I had on my other drive already. I really needed the other file. So that's why, if we can get to it all, we will. But I will start an order priority. Got a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 folders. I'm going to pull those 5. Then I get another list of everything else, and then I got like a least priority stuff that more than likely is backed up somewhere else or less important. So we go step by step by step, and let's see if we can get the whole thing. Probably, but let's not curse it. I'll be back.